is Stranger, 32M, use me, 24F. This was a guy I met online, no face pics were shared at all. He had seen my body and I had seen one PP pic. The idea of a stranger using my lip and seeming in me was really hot to me, and as I toyed with the idea